is WBRZ News 2 at 10.
The back and forth continues tonight between LSU law professor Ken Levy, the university, and the governor's office. Levy is suing the university after he was removed from teaching for comments made about the governor. News 2's David Hamilton was in court as Levy fights to get back into the classroom.
Let Levy be. Speech is
Current and former students of LSU law professor Ken Levy gathered outside the courthouse Monday before the hearing.
We're always going to stand with the students. We're always going to stand for the students and stand up as the students to protect the interest of the students. And one of those interests right now happens to be protecting one of the best professors at the Law Center and protecting free speech in general, and especially on campuses and in academic setting and at a law center, which is an inherently political place.
In court, Levy testified that being yanked from the classroom had been the most devastating thing that ever happened to him. Levy sued the university after he was pulled from teaching last month over comments he made during a lecture. He had defended another professor whom Governor Landry had asked the university to punish because of political remarks the other professor made when Donald Trump was re-elected president. Levy said LSU did not follow its own rules. He said he should have been allowed to continue to teach while the university investigated the complaint against him. Jimmy Faircloth, representing LSU, said that the decision to remove Levy was not political and claimed the lawsuit itself was premature and just loud. The governor's office asked Judge Tarvald Smith to quash a subpoena for communications between his office and LSU officials regarding Levy. Smith rejected that request. LSU has said that Levy should not have brought his political views into the classroom or used what Faircloth describes as salty language in the classroom. Levy said context matters in this case. His lecture approach, he said, is sometimes humorous and is intended to keep students involved. The hearing will continue Tuesday morning. In Baton Rouge, David Hamilton, WBRZ News 2.
And that hearing picks back up tomorrow morning at 8. Do you think Levy should be allowed to return to the classroom? We would like to hear what you think. Head to our website, WBRZ.com/vote, or you can scan that QR code on the top right portion of your screen to join in on this conversation.